What is up, trappers? Check it out, man. We are out here at the gates of the Warsaw Auto Show, man. Right there, Greg and the girls, they're all working it behind me, man. And I seen, check this out down here. MyCru, ooh, you hear that in the back? MyCru Car Club showing up, showing out, guys. We gonna flip this camera around and we gonna show you what's pulling in right now. Check big old hella hecka trucks, man. And they've been pulling in like this for a grip, man. Here they all come, check them out, man. Right here, right here. Man, they pulling up. They was lined up all the way out here. They alleviated some of them. They got a gap in them now, but they was all the way back. I can see them. They're MyCru. Stang bangers. Yeah, check them out. You're hurting, big nerdy. There he is, man. Check him out, check him out. We see them rolling in up off the street, man. Here they come. Yeah, look at this thing, man. He looks good in this. Yeah. We gonna come around on this side of the sign. Hopefully we don't get run over out here playing in the streets, man. Check them out, man. Here they go. Rollin. You see him, you see him. Ooh, man. There they are. They on the street, man. I see him right there. There's Heather Knoll, Chris Sherman, founders. I see Brett up here, the founders and the president of MyCru Car Club. Check us out, man. We gonna get him pulling in. This guy right here, he's up. He must not have ever been to a car show. He asking hella hecka questions. Maybe he's on. Maybe he on a budget. He can't get in or something. $15. I don't know, man. Staff out here helping him. They all getting in. He holding everybody up. They double lined. Woo! That's that Benz, man. You heard him? You got the trucks out here. Man, I think that's Brian Wright standing there, man. Check him out, Stang bangers. He got the Coyote out here. Yeah. What up, man? Yeah. Check him out. Damn, he got the Lightning out here, boy. This thing's sick, nasty, hella heckin' nasty. Ooh, there they go. And there it is. There's my MyCru. We gonna get him rolling in, man. Check him out. Yeah. Come on, come on. Yeah. It's Heather Knoll, Brett Knoll, founders. Sherman right there. Founders and president. How are you today, Heather? You doing good? Yeah, excited. Yeah, we made it, man. And there's Brett. We go see what sarcasm he has to share with us today, man. Let's check him out right there. Oh snap! Check him out. We gonna get him rolling, man. We get him rolling on the footage, man. Get him on the roller. Oh snap! There we go. We left the gimbal with Johnny, man. All right, brother. We'll see you in there in a minute, man. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. There he is, man. What's up, guys? Yeah, got the STI out here. Right there, there's the Shermanator giving some dap. MyCru. Yeah, what's up, guys? Right here. Here they come, man. What's up, folks? We got you, man. Yeah. MyCru showing up. There they are, man. There they are. There's Jose. Give me some dap, man. You gotta give me some dap. Much love. Good luck today, guys. You know they out here showing up. Wolfpack got it 2 years in a row, man. They trying to show up, show out, and get it, man. He got the Stang banger right here. Let's hear it one time. Oh, he make nasty on the new edge with the saline reps. You see him, What's up, fellas? Everybody out here today. Damn, 392. I don't think he's a MyCru. There's a MyCru. Check him out. Ooh, he got the 5 points, man. And that's a Volkswagen. And Breezy, you know, she out here, man. Yeah. And there's Eddie. There they are, man, looking good. What up, Breezy? How you doing? And she got the kids in the back, you know. Yeah. Eddie, how you doing today, man? It's good to see you guys out. Yeah, your boy coming out with us today? Jay coming out with us today?
He'll be here a little late.
Yeah, he needs to come out with us, man, for real. This thing looks slick. We love it, man. Check him out. ZL1, you see him? Yeah, Jay, your mom and dad out here, man. Come out here with us right here. And my homeboy, Greg. We gonna get him on some dap. What up, man?
What up, man?
Que pasa, mi amigo? Let's see your MyCru. Show them up. Let's see. Right there. Yeah, MyCru, they out here deep, man. We got to test them some other stuff, guys. Leave that rolling out right there in the Impala. Man, they deep out here today. Check them out. MyCru showing up, showing out. Wolfpack. You better brought your A game home, boys, because they're on it. Look at this. We all the way back here.
How many more do you have?
I'm not sure. There's a handful, but they all coming out. It's going to be a minute. I think my Puerto Rican friend right here in this Jeep, I think he is the last of the MyCru folks. Yeah, he's at the back of the pack. After that, everybody else is somebody else. But this is all the one car club right here. Yeah, right there they are. What up, kids? You know they out having fun. Check out Breezy right here. She got this on the hood. Check it out. Ooh. Yeah, you see it. Killing it. What is that, cheetah print, right? Yeah, she got the cheetah print. And it's the color flip. What up, big man? And my homeboy, Peter Griffin, AKA the Family Guy. You smell him, you smell him. Check him out. He got the MyCru. They out here repping it today, man. Check him out right here. You see it, you see it? Viva la Mexico, mi amigos. Yeah. Viva la Mexico, man. Yeah, he got the 392 looking good out here. You see him? Yeah. Stang banger. Check him out. He got the saline reps. Killing it on him, man. Killing it on him. The GT. You already know. Let's check him out. Viva la Mexico. See, he got the Mexican sticker right there too, man. It's cool. Yeah. Jose. He out here in the Honda, man. Yeah, and he looking fresh to death. He got the hat with the feather. You know he getting his pimp game on, man. Yeah. My Puerto Rican friend, right?
All right, bro.
Yeah, right there. You show him the MyCru, man. Show him your gear right there. See, right there. You see him, man. They showing up, showing out. Got somebody taking off there. Hey, Brian, right in the marrow, killing it. Let's see your MyCru love, man. Let's see your MyCru. You got your MyCru shirt? Yeah, let's see him. Let's see him. We go. Yeah, there he is. What up, Brian? Good to see you, brother. Let's hear it one time. Ooh, tire melter. And McNasty. Excuse me, guys, in the box. We're coming through. Check him out. He brought the neon. He got the neon out here. Check him out. He got a MyCru. And he got his MyCru there. You see him. You see him. If you ain't see him, you Helen Keller, you blind. There's my homeboy, Ronnie. Yeah, too intense. He's bringing the heat. Check him out in the Scoobaroo on the Whiteys. Check him out. Sniznap. There he is. What's up, folks? Y'all on my live, man. There he is. Let's see your MyCru. You got your MyCru gear? There he is, MyCru. You seen him, man. Y'all ready to have fun today? Pump. You get ready to take that trophy from Wolfpack? Y'all coming to get it, man. Wolfpack, they smelling it. What up, man? Check him out. Check him out. Yeah. Sherman out here. Look at this. He got this motherfucker. Change color every direction. You see it? It don't matter what direction you go on this MyCru. It just change all the time. You getting me for the copyright, Sherman?
Oh, yeah.
Shame on you. You ain't even got your MyCru shirt on, man. Everybody else in the whole line got the, oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute.
Hell
I
yeah,
stand corrected. Oh, man, he got it. Out here in the Beamer. What's up, good? What's going on, man? They got the MyCru on. Look at him.
Yeah,
Him and hers, MyCru repping. Yeah, all the boys got them too. Oh, snap. They all on. Then my
Get us in the fucking place.
Hey, watch your mouth.
What
They guiding you in, man.
What?
They guiding you in. That's the founder right there. He's trying to get the club in. Ronnie and everybody out here, man. We going back in the gate, guys. That's MyCru Car Club rolling in, showing up, showing out. They trying to take that trophy from Wolfpack. We're gonna get back up here to the Blazer with Johnny, because you know it's hella loud. I left it bumping, and I'm out of breath after all that. I need something to drink. But anyway, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, check out our live. It'll be coming here about, I don't know, anywhere between 20 to 45 minutes, depending on what goes on in my day. But we headed that way. The next video will be the live shot, so don't miss it. Check him out in the G8 out here, man. Ooh, yeah, see, I'm losing my voice again, guys. We got hype. We're having a good time, man. We'll see you in the live stream, guys. Don't miss it. Be there or you're square. Ooh, yeah. Keep on trapping.